Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize and actualize the sacred formulas that you use. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Vintage CD 17, Radha Krishna Bowl. Who a vendor is not just a creed. Oh, surrender is not just a creed, but a process. If you are moved by spiritual instruction, it doesn't matter what you are. We should worship among the general public too. The words and symbols should be witnessed by all. Much like the Islamic belief about immigration, is they believe that as long as people are going to follow the law and they, they're not showing up for the purpose of being a beggar, you help those in need, but they're not, then, let them go through the land. So more or less an open borders policy, you could say. Then CD 18, King Kulashekar. For the possibility to think of God while dying, practice while your mind and body are strong. Scripture is meant to be sung. Sound represents everything and communicates, and from it. Vintage CD 19, Narasimha prayers, and Kirtan. Start your practice with the small things. Our age is more like this life, and eminence is more than time or material position. We were to have promised to be a devotee before birth. Mantras are consciousness work. Vintage CD 20. Vastakam and Kirtan. The devotees are to help the spiritual master put out the fires of materialism. They are to master the trance states and direct their devotion in ascent, descent, and oscillation, and assimilation, and disassociation, and all that sort of stuff. We are to surrender in devotion to God, but this is to build up deeds and qualities with us. And which I guess that we're in chapter 8, and the 2 paths you can go on. The advice, unattracted to material things, and the system of, well, you definitely don't want it to be an accident. But I think text 25 is what we'll talk about. Dumaratris tatta Krishna sanmasadakshanyanam tatra chandramasam jyotir yogi prabhya nivartate. So the smoke of the night, and also the fortnight of the dark moon, the 6 months, when the sun passes on the southern side, there, the moon, the light of the mystic achieves it, and it comes back. And so He could become expert in these fruitive activities and elevated to live on the moon for 10,000 years, according to the third canto of the Srimad Bhagavatam, and enjoy life by drinking the Soma Rasa, the eternal Soma Rasa. But you got to get beyond this, or there's going to be a return of sort. Now, I wouldn't say that we aren't necessarily going to be reincarnated, but a return to saying, hey, life was more than just seeking the rewards and punishments. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize, well, experience the all attractive, all enjoying. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent, God of light, God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.